Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Bilimbi Curry. This special Bilimbi Curry tastes like a fish curry. Let's move to the video. And take 15 Bilimbi cut into pieces. Add 2 green chili slits, 7 to 8 sliced shallots, ½ inch chopped ginger, 4 to 5 chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, some curry leaves, 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. In the meanwhile, in a grinder jar, take ½ cup of grated coconut and add 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Keep it medium flame and add the coconut paste to the curry. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it just starts boiling, give a stir. Close the lid. Finally, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add ½ teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed to it. After 10 seconds, add 4 to 5 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes light golden color. Switch off the flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid. Stir only after 10 minutes. Our special Kerala style Bilimbi curry recipe is ready. Usually, this tasty recipe is served along with rice.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.